Corn on the cob. It's delicious, but pretty darn difficult to eat. Not to mention, you hardly ever eat all of the corn that's on your cob. If you have found this as well, it means that you have been eating corn on the cob wrong your whole life. And I'm gonna tell you about a genius hack right now on IO. What is gravy tater tots? You're watching IO. This is where we tell you guys about the most interesting news stories we find on the internet and then we make them more entertaining. Subscribe, turn on the bell so you never miss one of our videos. Corn on the cob pretty much goes hand in hand with summer barbecues. If you didn't eat corn on the cob at a barbecue, did you even barbecue? But corn on the cob, even though it's delicious, it's pretty darn difficult to eat, isn't it? Plus, I feel like it's pretty wasteful. There's a lot of corn left over because your teeth just can't get at it. Well, one viral tweet by a Japanese account shows exactly how you should be eating corn on the cob. So this is what you do. First, you make sure you wash your hands because you're going to be directly touching the corn with your fingers. And then you make some space on the cob by emptying a row of kernels like so. Then you place your thumb over a row of kernels like so. And you push the kernels toward the space you have just made. And the kernels will just fall out. Grab the kernels with your hand and eat them. And when you're finished, the corn looks like this. Nothing left, nothing wasted. Mind officially blown. The only thing, small thing. I absolutely love Mexican street corn. Mexican street corn has a ton of toppings on it like cilantro, chili pepper, sour cream, and mayonnaise. This hack doesn't apply to Mexican street corn because you're just gonna have to get your fingers all up in that delicious little gunk stuff. But if you're eating corn on the cob without any toppings on it, it will definitely work. And in case you're wondering, people have tested this method and it does work 100% of the time. Here's a side-by-side comparison that shows a corn on the cob being eaten with your mouth versus with the hack. Pretty huge difference if you ask me. So remember that pineapple hack that went viral a little while ago? Yeah, the one that like didn't work for everyone because you needed a really ripe pineapple. You couldn't just like get it from the store and then try to hack because it would have to ripen first. Yeah, as far as I know, this cob hack is not whack. Are you gonna try this hack at your next barbecue? Let me know in the comments. For now, it is that time again. The reason why you're here. It's comment time. Thomas Stevens said, so is Jocelyn an official IO host now? If so, I have no problem, been loving her on here. I am so glad you like Jocelyn, she is awesome. She will be a regular host on IO for the time being. For the foreseeable future. Jackie Wacky said, hey, I like Oreos, do you? Who doesn't? Your local lolly said, I love the internet, always making smart decisions. That's sarcastic, right? That is it for me. Check out this playlist to keep watching IO, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will see you next time.